Let's learn 5 powerful love and relationship idioms. Number 1. Head over heels. It means deeply and completely in love with someone. Example, she's head over heels in love with her new boyfriend. Number 2. Love at first sight. It means falling in love the very first time you see someone.
Example, when they met at the cafe, it was love at first sight.
Number 3. On the rocks. It means a relationship that is in serious trouble and may end soon. Example, their relationship is on the rocks after constant arguments.
Number 4. Fall out with someone.
It means to have an argument and stop being friendly or close. Example, they fell out over money and stopped talking for months. Number 5. Kiss and make up. It means to forgive each other and become friendly again after a fight. Example, they argue a lot, but they always kiss and make up. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.